Hello everyone. See the exercise 15.1. Here, see the question number fifth one. The two coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting two heads, at most one tail and no tail. So see, first we have to toss the coin in two times. So it means head tail and tail tail. That is a possible case only. Just you should write down the total outcomes is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number of favorable outcomes of getting two tails. So see in this case how many conditions are there? Two tails are occurring. So here only one case is here. T and T. It means two tails. So the possible case is 1 and the probability of getting two tails is 1 by 4. Favorable case upon total case. See the next question. The number of favorable outcomes of getting at most one tail. At most means larger number is 1 and less than 0. So that is called the at most. For the example, just you see in this case, here is head tail. It means one tail is there. Here is one tail also. Here is no tail. So it means less than one tail. Less than one tail means there is no tail. It also include. It means head is also included. So the probability of getting two tails 3 by 4. 1, 2 and 3. The possible case here you can say the favorable case is 3. It means 3 by 4. See the next number. Number of the favorable outcomes of getting no tails. So it means only headed. That is only one case. That is a favorable case is 1. The probability of getting no tail is 1 by 4. See the question number 6. A die is thrown the 5 times. Find the probability of possible outcomes. If we have to throw the die, how many numbers in the die is only 6. But we have to throw how many times? 5 times. It means 6 to the power 5. 6 is write down 5 times. It will come 7776. See another question. Question number 7. A coin is tossed 6 times. Find the total number of possible outcomes. The total number of possible outcomes, it is also same as the previous one. So 2 to the power 6. Because the coin is having only two possibilities, but we have to throw the coin is how many times? 6 times. It means 2 to the power 6. It will come 64. We will do the multiply. After that, we will get the final answer 64. See another question. The question number 8th one. A coin is tossed the 3 times. Find the probability of getting two heads, at most two heads, and at least two heads, and all heads and one head. So see here, when a coin is tossed the 3 times, it means head tail and head tail tail head and tail head tail tail and total possible outcomes are only that is 8. So see here the number of favorable outcomes of getting two heads. It means only just you see the favorable case where is the two heads. So see head tail head and head tail. The 3 are the favorable case. So the probability of getting two heads 3 by 8. So see another its part. The number of favorable outcomes of getting at most two heads. Only at most two heads, not more than two heads. It means head tail head tail head and head tail and tail head and tail also and tail head also. Because in this question we are not including more than two heads and less than two heads, that is also included. It means there is no head. It means tail 3 times. So it means it is also included. So the probability of getting at most two heads, that is favorable case upon total case, and the favorable case is 7 upon 8. So see another parts of this one is the number of favorable outcomes of getting at least two heads. head, 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 tail, head. Here at least means just we have to find out more than of two heads, two and more than two. So it means head, head, and head, tail, head, head, and head, head, tail. The favorable case is 4. It will become, and the probability of the at least two heads, 4 by 8, it will come 1 by 2. The number of favorable outcomes of getting all heads, it means only one case is there, so favorable case is 1. The probability of getting all heads is 1 by 8. The number of favorable outcomes of getting one head. So see here, only one head. Just see the condition. Yeah, you can say the favorable outcomes. So here we have to just identify where is the one head. Where is the one head? So see, in this case, how many possible outcomes are there? 3 are there. So the probability of one head is 3 by 8. See another question. The two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting. Total is 6. The sum of two numbers is less than 5. The sum of 10 is greater than or equals to 8. The product is 12. And total at most 7. The difference of numbers is 2. So see here, the two dice thrown, there are 36 possible outcomes. So see, if we have to roll the die, suppose in the first case 1 1 will occur, maybe 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. In the same process we have to make the 36 conditions are there. So see, the favorable outcomes of getting total is 6. So in this case you just see and add the numbers, it will become 6. Where it is a 1 plus 5, that is 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 4, sorry, 2 plus 3 is 5. So see another, check another one, 2 plus 6. It means it is a favorable case. So here we will write down 2 3, after that 3 3, and 4 2, and 5 1. So total favorable case is 5. The probability of getting total is 6. It means 5 by 36. The favorable outcomes of sum of two numbers is less than 5. So see, here is 1 1. 1 plus 1, 2. It is less than 5. 1 plus 3, it is also less than 5. 1 plus 3, it is also less than 5. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is 5. It means it is not included. Only we have to write down 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. In the same process 2 1, 2 2, 3 1 only. So see, its total conditions are, yeah, you can say the favorable case is 6. The probability getting the sum of two numbers is less than 5. 6 upon 36, it will come 1 by 6. So see, the favorable outcomes of getting sum of 10 is greater than or equals to 8. So just observe all the things. You just find out by the yourself. The sum is 8. So 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 3 greater than or equals to, it means 3 plus 6 9. It is a more than 8. So it is also included. 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 6. So just you find out all the cases, all the conditions, yeah, all the numbers you can find out from the here. The probability, the sum of 10 greater than or equals to 8. Total case is 15. Total case is 15. So it means 15 by 36. It is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 12. Sorry, 3 1s are 3. 3 1. 3 2s are 6. So 5 by 12 it will come. The favorable outcomes of getting the product is 12. 12. So 6 2s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Total case, the favorable total case is 4. So the probability of product is 12. 4 by 36, it will come 1 by 9. The favorable outcomes of getting total is at most 7. 1 6, 2 5, at most 7. It means more than 7 is also accepted. So see here, you just write down the total case is 21. The probability total is at most 7. 21 upon 36. 7 upon 12. The favorable outcomes of getting the difference numbers 2. So see 3 1 1 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 6. It means 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 3. 5 minus 3 2. 4 2. 6 2. Total favorable case is 8. So probability getting the difference numbers is 2. 8 by 36. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. It will come 2 by 9. See another question. Question number 10. The boxes contain 8 red balls, 7 green, 5 blue and 4 yellow balls. The one ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that drawn ball is. The red are green, not blue, yellow, pink, neither red nor yellow. So first we have to find out the number of balls. Here you can say total case of this one. 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4. Just see 8 red, 7 green, 5 blue and 4 yellow. Total is 24. The favorable outcomes of getting red are green balls. So just see the red and green. 7 plus 8. Total is 15. The probability of getting red or green balls is 15 by 24. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. It will come 5 by 8. The favorable outcomes of getting not blue. Not blue means we have to leave the blue balls only, and the remaining balls you just add it here. 8 plus 7 plus 4, that is 19. The probability getting not blue balls, it means 19 by 24. The favorable outcomes of getting yellow balls. Yellow balls is 4 is there. So it means 4 by 24. 4 6 are 24. 1 by 6 it will come. So see the favorable outcomes of getting the pink ball. The pink ball, there is no pink balls, it means 0. Favorable case is 0. The probability of getting pink balls 0 by 24, it will come 0. The favorable outcomes of getting neither red or nor yellow. 7 plus 5, it will come 12. The probability getting red nor yellow was 24. 12 upon 24. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. It will come 1 by 4.